How's it going, James? Online Car Show. Got the ZL1 upgraded hardware here. We're going to do an install and review on. Without hesitation, let's get this video started. How's it going, James? Online Car Show. Just a real quick video to show y'all, showcase the new upgraded hardware I got from ZL1Addons for the Wickerbill on the back of the Camaro. Look really freaking good in this video. I'm just going to show you it real quick. We put them on. It just takes a 4mm Allen key. And if you went through the fun of putting one of these bad boys on your spoiler, redoing the hardware is just a snap. Just unscrewing, rescrewing them back in. But there you have it. Let's do a real quick install video, then I'll give you some shots of it on the car. Thanks for watching. Alright, finally received the upgraded hardware from ZL1Addons. Sorry about the wind today. It's just nasty weather here in Houston. Nothing I can really do about it. But snowed a little bit today in April in Houston. But anyways, we've got the upgraded hardware. As you can see, it looks really nice. Can't wait to get this on the car. Here's the old hardware here. As you can see, it had a rubber grommet which is cracking and so forth. It's probably because of my own fault. I over tightened when initially installing it. Those that watched the video was kind of rushed trying to do it before the sun went down. But here's what the old one looked like, and according to Lethal Camaro, we don't need to utilize the rubber grommet, and we're basically just going to replace it just like that. So I'll screw these in and make sure they get positioned. And it appears to be a 4mm to get the old one out, and 4mm Allen to get the new ones in. Alright, here we've got the after. Here's the before I put on the upgraded hardware. I guess this is called the stealth hardware, but it looks really good in black. And it removes, like I said, the rubber grommet you're going to see around there. This one's kind of cracked too from me over tightening. But looks really good, and I can't wait to replace all these. I'll get you on in shot here. well, there's the upgraded hardware. Gimbal working. I think it looks pretty good. Actually really good. Get you a close-up shot of one of these. There you go. There you have it. I think looks really good with that Wickerbill. Sets off the car a little bit more. Looks like more than just bolts there, that, you know, gives it more of a racy look. I like it. There you have it, real quick video just showing you the upgraded hardware from ZL1Addons for their Wickerbills.